We've just been joined by Anne Mitchell. Anne Mitchell's here because not only does she have experience as a VCE English teacher and exam assessor, but also she's helped put together an app, or she's created an app to help VCE students get through English. Now, when did this app become a little glint in your eye?
Yes, a few years ago now, actually. I remember, I think late 2010 or early 2011, I noticed that students were bringing iPads into the class. I'm a tutor, so they were bringing their iPads into class rather than their notebooks or laptops. And they told me that they were using the iPads in their traditional classroom as well. And I thought, that's interesting. And the idea occurred to me to design an app. I think the whole area of technology in education is fascinating, and I think there's a lot out there online, but not much available in the app form, especially for VCE.
So was this a way for students, when you weren't available to help tutor them, they could access your resources?
Absolutely, Vanessa. Yes, they can. They've got the study guide, if you like, in their pocket. And the other feature of it too is that they can actually send me a question if they want to ask any extra information. There's a website associated with the app, and they can contact me through that website. And I think the way I write too, it's really accessible for your average student. I appeal to the sorts of students that I've taught in my years of teaching, and they appreciate any tips you can give them. So it's full of useful tips for success. So I was lucky enough to find a great builder. I call him Eamon the App Builder, Eamon Turley. He was recommended to me by a colleague of mine, and so Eamon came along and he was really excited about it and came on board. And then I was lucky enough to find an art director, Stan Jaron, and he came up with actually the title of the app, VC English, which I think is really clever.
Yeah, that's nice.
And he contributed the design elements. Obviously I couldn't have done all of that. I just wrote the material.
Yep.
There's exam advice that you might have appreciated when you were doing it.
So just lots of little tips.
Lots of little tips.
Yeah, great. All broken up into
each section, what you should do before the exam, what you should do when you get into the exam. Since I've produced it, I've been asking them for feedback, and I must say it's been positive.
Do you know of any other apps that do similar things for different subjects? Is there a community of...
I looked at a couple. They weren't as comprehensive as this, but there are some out there, yes.
Yeah. They were for English or they were for other...
I haven't seen any for English. I saw a couple for other subjects on the App Store, but they were very superficial, not much content at all.
Is this information that will just sort of be applicable in 2014, or will it carry over into future years?
There will be some changes to the VCE, I think from 2015.
Okay.
But I'll adapt it.
Version
I'll update
2?
it.
Yeah,
absolutely. I'm keen to update it right now. If I had a minute, I'd be putting more in the grammar section and developing it a little more so that perhaps other people can use it, not just students and teachers and parents. So publishers or whatever.
So, and despite your love of the physical book, do you see some of the benefits coming through with the digital devices, like the search function, for example?
Absolutely. You can put in a word and search for it, and you'll find your answer somewhere on the app. And if the answer's not there on the app, email me.
I recall this kind of advice becoming apparent towards the end of the semester or towards the exam period. But with an app that pretty much makes it available for the whole year. So students who are finishing year 11 this year will be able to grab it and at least get started, so to speak, or have a framework in which to think about the books they're reading over the summer or whatever.
Absolutely, yes. And indeed, I think year 10s could use it too. In fact, good year 9s could find use, I think, just to get a handle on what's coming up, what's ahead for them.
And thank you so much for coming in this evening. If people want to have a look at your app, they can go to VCE, just one E here, vceenglish.com.au, and it's really worth a look. It's for Android and iOS.
Less than $10.
It is less than 10.
Thank you for joining us. It's 7:30 on Bite Into It.